How to fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down. Head towards the app phone. Once you find it, open it. Now over here you're going to find different options. Scroll down. Open this option, silence unknown callers. Toggle off for this option. Now head back. Now open this option, blocked contacts. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked any of the contact. If you have blocked anyone, you won't receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime from that people. After you check these settings, your problem will be fixed. If not, you can apply the second solution. For that, head towards your settings app, open this option general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.